This July, we're giving ourselves the freedom to create. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com. Today I'm working in my planner and I cannot wait to talk to you about what is coming up this July. So I'm going to be planning, we're going to go with the summer theme and we're going to use I Love Summer from Kelva Plan, one of my favorite sticker books. I'm using the checklist layout and we're going to talk about fun things that are coming up. Even though I'm on the move, there's still fresh content happening. Let's go. I am so excited to give you a look at what's coming in July over on Patreon. Our new theme after wrapping up Planner Camp is called Freedom to Create. Aquamarine Adventures. We're playing with the color aquamarine and we are trying all kinds of fun summer crafts, summer planning themes. It's going to be great. It is lighthearted and meant to inspire you and really to give you permission, some creative freedom all month long. Now, I am actually in the process of moving from Virginia to Texas. I've been working behind the scenes. Fresh content will be on Patreon throughout the month. Over here on YouTube, you're going to see some from the vault videos. But if you're wanting some fresh content, then Patreon is the place to be. And I promise I will be there over on Patreon still. We're still going to have some Zoom calls. We're still going to have live streams. It's still going to be a lot of fun. Plus, the really exciting part is that my patrons are going to start getting some sneak peeks and behind the scenes of me working on my new craft room, some little preview pictures, and just some updates on what is going on. And so if you are very curious, that's definitely the place you're going to want to be to hear about the new place, to see some of the setup, and then I can't wait to get it all settled so that I can give everyone a full tour later in the fall. All right, so throughout the month of July, you're going to find exclusive videos that bring the theme to life in creative and colorful ways. So a sneak peek of some of the videos that are coming this way. Red, white, and blue layout ideas. We're going to do some DIY July themed stickers. 4th of July memory keeping. I think summer is the perfect time to really focus in on some memory keeping challenges. And so we're going to set up some for the 4th of July. A very special Bible journal process is coming to Patreon called Freedom in Faith. And it was really a heartfelt moment for me, meant a lot for me creating that one. And I hope it means a lot to you all as well. Additionally, I think the summer is a great time to kind of dabble in some other hobbies. Creative journaling is something that I love to do. We're going to talk about creative journaling, and I have some creative journaling challenges to share with you in an exclusive video. Not to mention one that's all about staycations. Yes, lots of us travel during the summer, but not everyone travels. So we're going to create some planner spreads that are all about the staycation, which I love. We're also going to talk mid-year planner reset. Yes, we just wrapped up planner camp, but there's no better time to flip through your planner and figure out how to reset, how to clean it out, how to reimagine some of your goals for the year. And we're going to spend a whole video working on that. Have some fun washi crafts coming your way. And last but not least, we have a fun challenge where you're going to see how I design planner layouts, how I kind of imagine and work through them. And I cannot wait to see what planner layouts my patrons create as well. Really, July is going to be all about making space for the things that light you up, those happy little crafty moments that just bring a smile to your face. So there's something for every type of creative planner and crafty person, and I can't wait to dive into it with all of you. All right, while I have been talking, this spread has made a lot of progress. I love the road trip theme because this is a week that we are prepping to get ready for the move. So we're going to definitely be driving, making the big drive from Virginia to Texas as we move. And so I thought the road trip theme felt really, really good. Plus, I love these colors. There's that aquamarine, which is going to come up a lot in July. And that combined with orange is like an unexpected color combination that I am totally here for. This time around, I do have boxes in the top row and the bottom row. Normally, I keep my functional boxes all at the top, but we're going to scatter it a little bit this week. And I'm also going to leave slightly more open space. It might not seem like it, but a little bit more open space because it's our last full week in Virginia. And so I'm trying to figure out what all is going to be going on. There's going to be a lot. So I just want to make sure that I have room to plan for all the things. And then, of course, there will be a million checklist items to take care of. So I'm going to need all of that functional space as well. I'd love to hear from you down below. What are some of your crafty plans for the rest of the summer? Do you have some big projects or new hobbies you're hoping to try? Are you traveling and crafting on the go? Are you crafting by the campfire? I would love to hear some of your creative plans. I know a lot of you have plans to do some organization and revamping. You'll definitely want to stay tuned. We have plenty of those videos coming up as I get settled into a new space. So I'm excited to bring those to you as well. All right, the last little bit here, I need something else happening over on Sunday. I'm going to do a checklist over here on the left-hand sidebar, probably for meal planning, although let's be honest, all of our dishes will be packed, so there won't be a lot of eating at home, but that's okay. I do need a little color splash over here in the top right corner, so let's add some florals in that direction, and then we're going to wrap up this spread. Thank you so much for joining me today. Come join us over on Patreon. The rainbow tiers are where it's at on Patreon. That's where you have access to a lot of extra content. I always recommend the yellow tier, jumping in at the yellow tier. That's going to give you access to that exclusive content, the 9 videos that are coming up in the month of July. So if you're wondering where to start, that's where I always recommend. We'd love to have you over there. You can head on over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife to find out more. All right. I hope that you have an absolutely fabulous day and a wonderful rest of your summer. As always, keep it creative.